Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Dattatraya Patenge and our today's video topic is methods of object class in Java, and today date is 15 July 2021. So let's start our today's video, that is methods of object class in Java. Okay, so basically object class is a parent class of all classes in Java by default. Okay, in other words, it is the topmost class of Java. The object class is beneficial if you want to refer any object whose type you don't know. Okay, so notice that parent class reference variable can refer child class object, that is known as upcasting. Okay, so object class providing some common behaviors to all objects, such as object can be compared. Okay, and object can be cloned and object can be notified. Okay, so let's see what are the methods of object class in Java. So first method is final get class. Okay, so this method returns the class object of object. Okay, so the class can further be used to get the metadata of the class. Okay, so next is int hash code. Okay, this method returns the hash code number of the objects, means hash code. Okay, returns the an integer value. Okay, generated by hash algorithm. Okay, objects that are equal must return the same hash code. Different objects do not need to return different hash code. Okay, so let's see next method, that is our boolean equals. Okay, so basically this method compares the given object of the object, and it if it is true or false, it only check in this two part only. Okay, so let's see our next method, that is protected object clone. Okay, so this method creates and return the exact copy of object. Okay, the clone method of the object is used to clone of object. Okay, the clone method saves the extra progressing task for creating the exact copy of an object. Okay, if we perform it by using the new keyword. Okay, so it will take lot of processing time to be performed. Okay, so that's why we use object cloning. Okay, if you all to do implement clonable only subclasses and members of same packages, we will able to invoke clone on the objects. Okay, so let's see next method, that is public string to string. Okay, so basically this method returns the string representation of this class. So string to string is inbuilt method of Java. Okay, so java.lang, it is present in java.lang. Okay, which returns the itself string. Okay, so here actual no conversion is performed, since to string since to string method simply returns the current string without any changes. Okay, there is no need to call all the string explicitly. It is usually called implicitly. Okay, so let's see our next method, that is public final void notify. Okay, so this method returns wakes up the signal thread and waiting on the this object's monitor. Okay, by executing a synchronized instance method of the object, and by executing the body of synchronized statement. Okay, that synchronize on the object. Okay, so for object of a type class, by executing a synchronized static method of class. Okay, of that class. Okay, so let's see next method, so that is public final void notify all. Okay, so this method returns notify all wake up all the threads that are waiting on the this object of objects monitor. Okay, a thread waits on object monitor by calling on one of the wait method. Okay, so current thread relinquish the lock on this object. Okay, so let's see next method, that is our last method, public final void wait. Okay, so causes the current thread to wait for the specified millisecond or nanosecond. Okay, I hope whatever I said about method of object class in Java you all understood. Thank you so much.